Hello, fellows. You have to make this to be in my planet. Okay. So as you know, I have a project. A lot of people ask me to do a video in English. That's why I'm talking English. My project is for people with the third of December is the day International Day of the people with the deficient. Okay, so I'm in a huge chair. Some people cannot see, some people cannot talking, someone's cannot walking, someone's cannot see. But I think the way they can get into the community very easy is the ham radio. But I'm not starting with the ham radio because for ham radio you need to do a test and you need to learn about the for the laws and they need to know about the operation ethical. This is very important. I will give you some papers about that to people make and check it out for that. To ask if the frequency is in use. I'm starting to CB, citizen band. Here is the citizen band now, the new government. They take out the prefix and they take it out. Okay, now you don't need prefix to be on. You just need a small, easy registration on the Anatel. Okay, Anatel is the regulation in Brazil. We have a lot of labs from any states. Okay, they are helping the ham radios with the QSL cards and all those stuffs. Okay, and they do some activities. And this is very important for the people. If you cannot see, you can touch in the radio easy. I give you one radio for old woman here, and I teaching her, and she knows. We have every day on channel 36 on USB. We have a lot of people go there. So for these people that we give the radio, at this moment I'm just receiving radios and power supplies, cable, antenna for friends, and my as well. Okay, and but now we have a forum that I like to participate there. They agree, and I will on the 3rd of December. I will be on the broadcasting for my project to them. I hope then I hope to have someone that can help me for that because I'm looking to building 10 stations. These stations can be mobility because sometimes one of the guys say I don't want the radio. I don't like it, please. And we take this and give it for another one that want. Okay, and they cannot sell it for cheap, for someone coming and say, okay, I give you $2 and buy this station. No, he can sell the station. Okay, and we have another technical. He can fix it for us for a very very low price. That's we are in this moment. Okay, this is the first step. The second step will be my journey on the broadcasting with this forum about the person with necessity. Okay, accessibility for them. Okay, and I'm looking for accessibility because you have FT8. If you can hear, you can talk, but you can do FT8. You can do CW decode on a computer, and you can do radio if you can see. If you have a huge chair, you can go outside, you can build the antennas outside, you can do all of stuff, This is the project that I can see that everything that you learn in a theory, you can use it on a practical on a ham radio or on a citizen band radio or whatever. Because if you learn in mathematics in school, you can do mathematics on a ham radio. You can calculate your antenna system. Okay. If you study about geography, okay, you're talking to people another states, another countries, for trucks, okay? People that are in the sea fishing. So everybody using CB radio to talk. We know it's not commercial. It's only for experience, for scientific. That's what I'm looking to tell them. So they can have a practical, everything that they can do at school, okay? For example, history. If you talk to Namibia, for example, where is Namibia? Stay in Africa? Yes, okay. Where is in Africa? Yesterday I was have a QSO with Zanzibar. Where is Zanzibar? Is an island? Is a continent? Is one island? Okay, and what they speak, what religion they have. So this is make people thinking and go ahead. And language as well. They can learn. I learn French in the radio. Every day when I get out to the school, I come home like 6 o'clock, gray line, and I have a contact with people on Martinique and Polynesia, French Polynesia, Guadeloupe, and Caribbean, and I talk to these people in French. I have some words, some lessons, you know, and I can say, oh, today is avec beaucoup de pluie, avec beaucoup de soleil, aujourd'hui, bonsoir, comment allez-vous, ça va bien, le prénom de opérateur ici, Tony. So you can learn another language on the radio. Spanish, for example, very easy. We live here in South America. We are the only country that speak Portuguese. The other countries all over South America speak Spanish, so we can talk to them in Spanish. So you learning ham radio, you can use everything you can do everything practical that you do in the theory on the school. I can talk it to the teacher, say, what do you do in a physical or chemical or what are you doing? I can put this material on the ham radio for them. But this is a different way. First, I have to focus on the people with accessibility. Okay, I want to give it more accessibility for these people. These people are depression. They are young guys. They don't go out. They want to go out. They do a pee, you know. They need to using stuff for like baby or old people using, you know. This is very, very bad the thing for them, the young guys. With the radio, I'm not putting the radio close to his bed. I put the radio far away. He have to go in his chair and go out and go there and have a talking to us. And I needed that they appear on this frequency once a week. Okay, this is important. That I can see if they are enjoy and they are grow up on this. So this is my project that I like to tell you guys. Okay, some people ask me to do in English. I'm sorry if my English not so well, some words, because I'm not preparing anything to say here. I just say here what coming in my mind at this moment. Okay, so 73, I hope that all good with you guys. Check the project to think about this. If you have a more idea, put in the commentary. I will enjoy a lot, and we can do better for accessibility and the people get engaged on a society. Okay, all the best. 73 from PY1AX Tony in Saquarema, Golf 87, Quebec, Bravo. My grid located. It's a lot of things to study, to improve, to be theoretic, to be emotion, you know, on the radio. Oh, I'm talking to Japan today. Yeah, talking to Tokyo. Yeah, I'm talking to US. I know the part of the California. I know New York. I'm talking to Canada, Europe. What is Estonia, what is Estonia? Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, where they are, what they do. So this is a lot of curiosity that people have in the mind, and they grow up electronic as well. So this is a little thing about the forum that I'm gonna do. Okay, thank you for your support. Thank you for your help. Okay. I do the expedition, I'm in the contest, I do FT8, I love CW, I do SSB, I do satellites, low elevation satellites, Alpha Oscar 91. I do a geostationary satellite. I'm already speaking with ISS with 10 students. I'm talking to Antarctica already with 15 students. Now I'm gonna have a booking to talking to a German Antarctica on Kilo 100 satellite, Qatar. Exhale satellite is geostationary, going to 3 centimeters and 13 centimeters. This is great. Great, you don't need propagation, but pay attention. The propagation getting better. Not better than 80s, I know, because we'll be different. We have more equipments that give you more interference. The towns, the cities are bigger now. So, but you can still doing DX, you can doing a lot of fun on radio and talking to people. Talking to people, make friends, you know, and go out with these friends, build your antenna, go out and they see the lakes, close to the beach, the mountain, the forest. You can do that with accessibility. You can do that. You know, this is the important that I want to put this on this good virus, okay? This good virus on their mind. Calling RF like a virus. We always do this tricky, but at not this moment. Okay, apologize. 73, good luck. Now I'm going. All the best. Take care. PY1AX.